Constructed in the 1960s, Interstate 4 was dubbed the Orlando Expressway. Designed to handle 70,000 vehicles per day, it turned a 40-minute trip into a 10-minute drive. In the 1970s, Disney World, SeaWorld, and Universal Studios transformed the sleepy citrus town into the fastest-growing city in Florida and the tourist capital of the world. The city and interstate grew in tandem, with interim widening projects augmenting the landscape for more than 25 years while planning the I-4 Ultimate project. Capable of handling more than 210,000 vehicles per day, the $2.9 billion I-4 Ultimate Improvements project reconstructed 21 miles through the heart of Orlando, installed 4 dynamic toll express lanes, and rebuilt the corridor's general use lanes. The team reconstructed and reconfigured 15 major interchanges and widened, replaced, or added 140 bridges. The project improved safety, increased efficiency and capacity, and introduced aesthetic features and native landscaping. Its Envision Platinum rating marked the first for a major interstate project in the United States. The American Society of Civil Engineers is proud to recognize the I-4 Ultimate Improvements project as a 2024 OCEA Honor Award.